You could see this mess. Guess what? Guess what? Because when I drive, it's fall down. So task for today: make additional layer of painting on the top. Also paint in the bottom. This. Apply lac. Actually, I don't remember how to call in English lac. Apply lac for all surface on the floor. The next demo, we put this plate outside, so now I apply lac. And I hope with the sun it dry fast, then put inside again. One plate is done. I like this color much better, this, than previous, because it's dark and I don't know how to explain, but this one I like more. Okay, so while I'm waiting, the plate is drying. I'm going to put part of my stuff inside and go up to paint it. Yeah. Okay, so first layer is finished. It looks weird in real life as well. Hole, and I wanna cut this part and glue new one. тут нудне зі світлом. I've tested a solar panel, but solar panel been in the shadow. Because of that, I got only 5 or 7 watts. Now I have a good sun, and I wanna test it now. $150 and 45. 145. I wanna add a second layer and then inside this the color. This spray paint for metal. Okay, so let's summarize. I've painted on the top. I've painted inside. Also, these plates. And unfortunately, I couldn't put it on the floor because it didn't dry completely. So I have to put all this stuff in the van, and for instance tomorrow or day after tomorrow, change it, reorganize my floor and finish floor at all.